Hi guys, Namaste. So welcome back to CAP classes. I'm here again with one burning issue. Many students already started asking me, Pavan sir, when ICI will conduct this May 2021 exam. Maybe probably we are sitting on 25th of May. May is over, so that is the reason they are thinking of May 2021 exam when they will conduct this. So as you know, ICI indefinitely postponed these exams due to COVID second wave, and the biggest danger for the student is they said that with a notice of 25 days they'll conduct exam. Now imagine tomorrow morning notification comes, and if they say by June 30th is your exam, still they have given 35-36 days of notice to you, but you will get a panic attack and your, trust me, your heart will come into your pants, I am telling you. So now here there are two things I want to discuss. When ICI will conduct exam, how should we be exam ready? So these are two different aspects. First question is, will ICI conduct exam in June or July? So I think 99% of cases conducting exam in June is not realistic. Maybe when you ask Pavan sir, will ICI conduct exam at the end of July or in the second half of July or August, maybe we have to think on it. As I already told you, this is because of COVID second wave, and central government has not taken any centralized decision which applies to the whole country about this lockdown or something else. Central government has not taken any decision like that, and this is given to state governments. But almost all state governments, all chief ministers announced lockdown, and the lockdown went up to triple lockdown also in some of the states, where you cannot even go out to purchase your daily necessities. Even vegetable, milk, meat kind of necessities are also allowed to open only a little part of the day, and that too only 3 days in a week. That was the situation. But the main reason why I am making this video now is, if you remember, when ICI postponed exams, that time few weeks back or few days back, we were at the peaks of this COVID second wave, wherein the number of cases in India were almost 4 lakhs. It touched almost 4 lakhs. So in the first wave, some medicine experts or scientists, whatever you call, they suggested if this goes beyond 1 lakh, 70,000, 80,000 is the mark per day number of cases. If it touches 1 lakh or above, there should be mandatory lockdown. So that was during 14 months, 15 months back, like 2020, Jan, Feb, March, we were thinking of this kind of thing. Now we are sitting in 2021 May, where 1 month back the number of cases touched in India 4 lakhs per day, which is probably the highest in the world. After starting of this pandemic, we have witnessed the worst case. But surprisingly, or maybe not surprisingly, maybe God is kind enough, we are also taking good measures, the government is also taking good measures. The cases have come down by almost 50%. Can you believe that? So yesterday there were around 2 lakh cases in India. That means from the peaks of COVID, this second wave, from the peaks, we have come down by almost 40-50%. Now the question is, can we sustain this, or again will the curve go up? Can we sustain this? If we can sustain this, if we can restrict it like that, even the states which are highly affected like Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, and then places which are severely affected like Delhi, Bombay, Mumbai, and this Bangalore, where test positive ratio is also the highest, 50%, 55% of them are getting positive. That means out of 100 tests that are done, 50-60 of them are getting positive. And if it crosses 20, there should be a lockdown. That is what experts say. So God is kind on us. Even this kind of places, Delhi, Bangalore kind of places also are showing a decrease in the numbers. Now, why ICI postponed the exams indefinitely? Why they have not given the revised examination schedule? It is because each state is following a different policy. So first they announced maybe 10 days or 14 days lockdown or 9 days lockdown. After that they are, stretching it for another 7 days. After that they are pushing it for another 7 days. Like that they are doing. So, and so many states also, they have cancelled vaccination drive from 18 to 44 people. They cancelled it because above 45 itself, the vaccine is not available. But do you know, couple of days back, there is a news that Bharat Biotech started, applied for permission from one of its subsidiary located in Gujarat. They want to manufacture this. And if the permission is given by the end of the year, they are confident that they can manufacture 1 billion, that means 100 crore vaccines, which is actually a very good news. Very, very good news. So looking at all these things, maybe vaccine will be available soon. And also the curve is straightening and the number of cases are falling down. Now I feel personally that there is a possibility that after few weeks, not tomorrow, day after tomorrow, maybe after few weeks, like maybe 3 weeks, 4 weeks, maybe at the end of the June, in the 3rd or 4th weeks of June, ICAI will come with a love letter, and in that announcement they will say ICAI is conducting exams on so and so date. So that might happen by the end of July or in the month of August. Many students are asking one question, Pavan sir, will the exams be clubbed with November exams? I think it will not happen. I think it will not happen. So these examinations definitely will be conducted before November itself. Do you remember last year they have conducted exam in first cycle and second cycle they have conducted. Then so many students said no, ICAI will not conduct exams in a span of 2 months, 3 months. Chumma they are telling that after that they will take a step back. But ICAI did not do that. They have conducted both the cycles of examination. Maybe something like that might happen now also in August, July ending or August. If they are conducting one exam, next exam they might conduct a little delayed. Instead of November, they might conduct in December or maybe Jan, like last year cycle 2 they have conducted in Jan only, like that they will conduct. So what I am saying is, if you are a student studying IPCC or inter or final, old syllabus or new syllabus, I am telling you, if ICAI comes with this announcement and says the exams will be conducted within, a notice of 30 days, I'm telling you that day, you will feel like you are gasping for breath and you cannot gulp a drop of water also. That day your position will be, I'm telling you, you'll be literally scared, you'll be squeezed, you feel like you are gone. Why I am telling this is because when this notification has come, you might have completely relaxed. Aha, na Raja, Anubhavinchu Raja, enjoy the life. Of course, in quarantine, what life we'll enjoy other than watching Netflix and Amazon, that is a different story. But still, your body, your brain, everything is relaxed and you are in peace mode. Peace. Okay, now that the number of cases across the country are coming down, state-wise numbers are also coming down, and recovery rates are alarmingly increasing. Recovery rates. This is what the examination is postponed for. So when the turnaround happened, the numbers are increasing, they are coming down. Imagine within next 1-2 weeks, the numbers will come down more, and maybe all over India, the numbers will be less than 1 lakh. Then obviously all states will lift the lockdown. Then ICAI will make a decision and release the announcement. So I'm not saying, I do not have any idea, neither from ICAI nor from any of the members, nor from Central Council members or any of the other persons. I do not have any first-hand information when the examination will happen. It is only, we are just thinking of various simulations. We are thinking of permutations, combinations. What I want to do is, I just want to inform the student that assume, underline, assume, ICAI will conduct examinations in July. Assume. If ICAI is not conducting exams in July, then good for all. But if ICAI is conducting, as per our assumption, assume ICAI is conducting examination in July. That means how many days you have? You have hardly 30 to 40 days. That means you have 5 days in the month of May and 30 days in the month of June. If they are announcing in July, first week, second week also, still you will have 40 days from today. So the minimum number of days you have in your hand is 30. Maximum number of days you have in you, as per our assumption. Nothing came from ICI officially, as per our assumption. Minimum 30 days we have, maximum 50 days we have. If we are assuming that ICI will conduct exam in the second half of July, minimum we have 30 days, maximum we have 45 days. Now, within this 45 days, again we have to resume our preparation, continue our preparation. Now maybe 8 hours, 6 hours study plans now have become 1 hour, 2 hours, and that too you are not doing effectively. You're not sitting with the books effectively. So your body, brain and all the nerves got relaxed. So now what I want to tell you is, step 1, assume that ICI will conduct exams in the second half of July. That means 3rd or 4th, after 15th July. Imagine. Point number 1. Point number 2. Prepare a fresh study plan to complete 4 papers if you are a single group student, 8 papers if you are both the group student. How to complete this volume of subjects, whether it is 4 papers or 8 papers, how to complete? You need to prepare a solid study plan, and to track whether you are on the right track or no, and to monitor yourself, you need to write lot of tests also, wherein I for the last 5 attempts I've been giving this free study plans to students, free test series to students. So we will continue the same, and I will be releasing a new study plan, how to study single group. If you are following single group, how to study both the groups from June 1st. Today we are in the last week of May. From 1st of June, how to study, I'll prepare a study plan. It will be uploaded, it will be given to you free of cost across all the social media, our Telegram channel, Cap Classes, you can see, YouTube channels you can see, or you can text us on the number given in the scrolling. You will get this study plans, and in our mobile application, Android and iOS also, this schedules will be given. Plus, I will give you examinations, test series, question papers, suggested answers, everything free of cost. So please stick to a proper study plan, study as per the plan, and be effective. Don't be lazy. You really do not know when ICI comes with this announcement, and let us assume that examination will happen in the month of July. Still, let us be exam ready. From my side, what can I do to increase the speed of your preparation? I can prepare a study plan and I can give a test series to you. What you have to do, you have to start preparing from today itself if possible. Next 7 days you study whatever you want. From June 1st, I am giving you day sheet. I'll give you how to schedule your day, and also what topic to study from which subject. Everything I'll give you in proper Excel sheet tables, which will be distributed to you free of cost, and you have to monitor yourself. And also please ensure that you will write this free test series. You'll write this free test series, then you will be exam ready. Even if ICI is conducting exams in July also, you can confidently say, dear ICI, yes, conduct exams, I am ready to pass. That should be your attitude. So I am starting preparation of this study plans and test series. Are you ready? If you are ready, let us go hand in hand. I wish you all the very best. So this laziness after the previous notification of ICI that exams are postponed indefinitely. So after that, your body, mind, everything calm down. Now again, it is the time to increase the burning spirit in your heart and body. Okay, so please start your preparation. I will also help you in the preparation. I'll release this test series and study plans soon. So keep watching Cap Classes social media and download our mobile application, wherein you can see all these free resources. Thank you. All the best. Stay home. Stay safe.